Entering the swamp was a
relief.
Relief.
Okay, so I get over something. Relief.
The wind disappeared, and the
mangrove
trees twist.
Shared. This is shared. Okay, this is shared. Okay, it uses as a verb here. What's that?
Enter.
Go or come in.
Okay.
Shield.
Okay.
To cover and protect. She shielded her eyes.
Okay. Shield, protected, covered.
Shield.
Can spell
S-H-I-E-L-D. Shield. Verb.
Okay, the tree, basically the mangrove tree.
Shield us from the sun.
Okay.
We paddled through a tunnel created by the
twisting
the
trunks. Okay. Trunks, the tree trunks. Yeah, the tree trunks. Okay. Twisted trunks. Okay.
The
naughty branch. Okay, naughty tree. Okay, right. Yeah, see the naughty tree. It has a lot of nuts. Naughty tree. You see. What's this?
Shield.
Verb. To cover and protect.
Okay.
Naughty.
Do
you know what's this? Not. Okay. Yeah, what's that?
Nuts.
Okay.
Having many
Dark.
round nuts. Shower where branches grew.
Okay.
Having
Having
many nuts.
Okay, having many nuts. You see, the nuts. That's nuts. You see, having many nuts.
Naughty.
Okay.
The naughty branches covered. Come
curved,
curved around our path.
okay, curved, it's not covered. Where is that? Moved. Here. What's that?
Cover.
Curve, I think there's a curve. Yeah, curve.
Cover.
curve, curve, curve,
Okay, bend.
Of
Formed a curve, not a straight, okay? Not a straight. Curve. Cover.
Cover.
Okay. Ah, then there are knotted branches curved.
Around our path. However, the tunnel soon became
Narrower.
narrower. The
Nose.
nose of my kayak.
Okay, the nose of my kayak. Okay, the point, that's a nose of the kayak, okay? That point. Okay, it's kind of like the nose of a person, right? The person has a nose pointing out. What's this?
Those. The nose of my kayak.
Capped.
Getting stuck in tree roots, and then
Yeah, this tree, the roots is outside, okay, the mangrove. And then
I would have to push it out against
I don't see S here.
again. I would have to push it out again using my
Paddle.
I
Couldn't.
I couldn't make it move.
More. What's this?
Move more. I couldn't make it move more than a few feet without getting
Trapped.
Oh, God.
Nail. I think that's the other's name. Okay.
Had the card over and show his shoulder shoulder. Yay. Oh, just good. Just checking out some shells. I replied, trying to sound calm. If I was sorry,
Snow.
so if I was slow and careful, I could catch up to them without them. No, no, knowing how much trouble I was having. Teddy and
Aaron's
voice got
fate. Okay.
faint.
It becomes weak. You cannot hear it because they're too far away. You cannot hear it. It becomes fate.
As they paddled farther
Ahead
of me.
Frantic. Okay, like that. What's this?
Curve.
Frantic.
Feeling. Showing a lot of fear and worry.
Okay.
Frantic.
Fear and worry.
Okay. Fear and show a lot of fear and worry.
They made a frantic search for the missing child.
Okay.
Frantic
Cries
for help.
Okay. I think this is not exactly frantic. Just worried and fear. Okay, feeling overwhelmingly fear and or worry. Okay, feeling fear and or worry. Frantic. Okay, spelled
F-R-A-N-T-I-C, frantic.
okay.
Adjective.
Okay.
Frantic. I gave a huge push with the paddle, which completely wide.
The two cousins shouldn't take him to that place because he just he got stuck into the two things. Yeah, like that.
Frantic.
Feeling or
Showing
fear
or
anxiety.
anxiety. Okay.
Anxiety.
Okay.
Frantic cries for help.
Okay. Let's stop here.